Y'all look tricky. Here we go. Hey y'all. Say hey.
Hi.
So we're gonna do a photo shoot. We're in this hotel. We're gonna do a photo shoot right here at the pool table. And y'all can get a little BTS.
It's Ehren and Ehren here.
Ehren and Ehren.
Perfect dynamic duo.
Yeah, show them the outfit. All red.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see the shoes.
21.
There you go.
21.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Real cutesy. We finna eat. It's gonna be cute. Y'all see my outfit for the day? Okay. I got oh, y'all seen this in my other vlog. Or was that this vlog when I went shopping? Anyways, my jacket that I got from Forever 21, my sweatpants. I got on my New Balance and just a white shirt from Shein. And that's my outfit. So, are we ready? Are we about to get started? There's all these people in here. They're gonna be watching this. It's all these people. They're gonna be watching this for sure. They're gonna be like, oh my gosh, what are you guys doing? Minding our business. I'm just playing. It's hella people, I'm not gonna lie.
Back roll.
Okay, y'all, we about to wrap up in here. We got one more shot to do. We turned the balls into 21. Yeah. Y'all see it? Yeah. So we finna do our last little look. I'm gonna let y'all see this one. I'm so cute. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. Some of these guests in here are assholes. And y'all know what type of guests I'm talking about. Cause now we're gonna go to look number 2. Yeah. Peace. Hey friends. Oh, let me get another battery. So we're about to do our second look. Let me see, where's the light at? It ain't no light. We're about to do our second look. I see his coat. I don't know how long we're gonna be at this location because we don't know how much we like it. So we're about to just check it out. Do I see what? So we're about to just check out this low. I need to grab a battery. I'm hungry.
Hey, vloggy vlog.
This is outfit number 2.
Look at the jeans, custom
Yeah.
made by moi. Yeah.
So cutesy, so cutesy. Yeah. Okay, y'all, we just did the second look over here at the phone booth. Y'all, we on the main street. There's so many people riding past us looking at us.
Oh, y'all, I love her so much. It's my Shayla.
Oh, my Shayla. Okay, y'all, so we're at this restaurant. It's called Bien Pho in Delhi. It smells so good in here, y'all. Y'all heard me say I'm hungry for like the past 10 clips. So he just brought me samples of this Thai tea. This is the green tea one, and this one is red something. I gotta stir it up. Okay. Okay, this is the red one. Do you see?
kind of tastes like matcha.
This literally tastes like he said, like sweet tea.
It tastes.
They cool. But I don't want a full cup of them. So now we ordered our food. I got the chicken pho in now. Pho chicken, as he says. Pho chicken. And now I just gotta wait. I'll show you my food when they get here.
Giving me good time, and all I wanna do is make it better. I can never tell you that I did love you now, and no other love can compare to you.
Hey y'all, so now we are at the Dolly Parton Hotel, and we're about to shoot a little mini video. And yeah, let's see what it looks like in here. Yeah, we're done. We're done. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap. The pictures look amazing. Just wait till we break it.
Yeah. Follow me on Instagram at morganbailey.p.
Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram at, I've never done this before, at _Ehren Janae, AERONJANAE.
Yeah. But morganbailey.p, that's my photography page. My main page is Ehren Morgan. Same name as my YouTube channel. So it's a wrap.
I'm here to slide down the wall.
I got caught, y'all. Like your